Today's meditation is called the Birdsong. Find a comfortable position. Let your feet rest gently on the ground. Place your palms softly on your thighs. Feel the support of the chair behind you and take in a long, slow breath in. Hold it for a moment and gently release, letting go of any tension you may be holding. Let your shoulders drop. Soften your jaw. Allow your arms to feel heavy. Breathe in again, slowly and deeply. This is your moment to disconnect. As your breath starts to return to its natural rhythm, take a moment to ground yourself. Notice the sounds around you. They're present, but you're not focused on them. With your eyes closed, allow yourself to drift away from where you are. Allow yourself to daydream into a place of calm and relaxation. Imagine with me you are sitting on a wooden bench. Perhaps you're in a quiet park, beside a beautiful river or lake, or along a scenic path with a beautiful view. It's still. It's quiet. There's no one else around. This space feels like it's yours, just for now. You feel the bench beneath you and a gentle warmth on your shoulders and in your hair. The sun is rising. It's early morning. The warmth isn't intense. Just a soft kiss of light that makes you feel safe and relaxed. You look around. Trees sway gently in the breeze. Sunlight catches the surface of a stone on the ground, sparkling briefly. And you smile at the simple joy that brings. As you relax further, your gaze lifts slightly towards the sky. In a nearby tree, you notice a tiny bird perched gracefully on a branch. You marvel for a moment at its balance, its elegance. It begins to sing. The melody is familiar, and you find yourself listening closely. You don't know the song or what it means. Is the bird calling to another? Singing with joy, like we do in the shower when no one's listening? Or has it noticed you and is sharing its morning? We often seek meaning in everything. Climb mountains, travel far, read deeply, scroll endlessly, searching for connection and understanding. But in this moment, you're simply listening. No need to understand the words, no judgment, just a quiet connection. You feel calm, focused on the melody, letting it gently drown out the noise of the world. You realize you don't need to understand everything. When you let go of the questions, peace finds its way in. The bird flaps its wings and soars into the sky, disappearing from view. You feel grateful for the moment you shared, is so much noise in our world. Our mind's often full of questions. But when we disconnect, put down our phones, turn off the TV, sit quietly in nature, we find a rare, honest connection. One that goes beyond words, beyond status. A moment to simply be alive. You begin to rise slowly from the bench. You feel lighter. Your mind feels less crowded. This feeling may not last forever, but for now, you are refreshed. Begin to bring yourself back to where you are. Notice the smells, the sounds, the feeling of the chair beneath you, and the floor under your feet. Slowly and gently open your eyes. I wish you a day full of happy connections, from my heart to yours.